How we feeling? How you feeling, bud? Feeling good?
Not really. We better catch something. It's been 3 hours and we haven't caught a fish.
Yeah, it was an unsuccessful sunset bite, but
We got a catfish rig out now.
trying to get redemption on the catfish rod. We had a nice McDonald's dinner, a couple of beers. Now I'm getting packed because we're gonna launch at a different launch ramp tomorrow morning, and I gotta get the tent set up. And it's midnight, and we gotta get up hella early. 3 hours of sleep. Let's go.
The rest of the week.
Yeah.
No way. For 3 hours sleep.
Yeah, bro. I want the air mattress. Got one. Senko. It's a good one, dude. Or he's just fighting hard. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, dude, I forgot how much fun it is to fight on one of these things. Oh, yeah, dude, that's a good one. Good start. Oh, yeah, dude. Yes, sir. See if I can get it on the GoPro. Look at that chunk. Yeah. Hey, I got a good one. Yeah. Holy. Holy. Oh my God, Jensen! Holy. Dude, it's a pig! Yo, there's a good one right there, dude. Yeah. Holy. I gotta get situated here. Grab my scale. Get this focus. I was reading 4.3 earlier. He's shrinking. Oh, there it goes. 4.23. It's a 4-pounder right here.
Go ahead.
4-pounder start the day. Yeah.
It's a chunky one.
Look at the belly, bro.
Dang.
Back in the depths. How big? How big we looking, bud? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's a good one. Yo.
I don't think I got you beat, but it's solid. Oh, there's another one with it. You want to cast?
Yeah. We cast over you.
The other one's kind of coming under my boat. He's under my boat now.
Let me see if he pops back up. Oh, that's good.
Oh, he's there, he's there, he's there.
Is there?
He's right under my fish, which is over there.
Lead him.
Throw it over there.
I don't think he's gonna bite. Dude, they might be.
I was gonna say, this one's all red.
They might be spawning, dude. Oh, dude, let me get a bit. Hold that
I'll say
bad.
that's 3 1/4.
Yeah, dude, we're catching nothing but freaking solid fish, dude. That's so sick.
Can you send me a picture?
Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, buddy.
Yes, sir.
Good one, bud. It's a good one.
Not a fool, but a chunky one.
Yeah. So what's that, 3 and 3?
Yeah.
Have I caught 3 fish? Yeah. Yeah, pretty sure.
No, you caught 2.
I caught 1 coming around the bend.
The 2, the 4.
I thought I caught.
What?
I thought I caught 1 more.
I'm up on numbers.
Yeah. No, I thought I caught 1 more. I'm tripped. All right, give me a second. Let me put this bad boy away. He's out in the middle, huh? Seems to be the common theme. Oh, I had one swipe at it.
Really?
Yup.
Big one?
Hold up. Shh. It's right there, dude. No, why wouldn't they commit? Yeah. Yeah, dude. Oh yeah, that's a good one. He's ripping drag, dude. Yeah. That's a really good one, dude. Oh my god, dude. Jensen. Fatty, dude. Oh my god. It's a huge one. Heck yeah. 3-3. Dude, if we were in a tournament together, we'd have such a good bag. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, bud.
Dude, I thought it was. Oh, there's huge ones under it though. Dude, cast under my boat.
I'll work it.
High too.
Dang, they're just all over the place out here.
Dude, I thought it was huge when it jumped.
Yeah, when I heard you get all excited, I thought it was huge.
There's so many big fish out on the fish.
Yeah, it's nuts. They're all way off too.
Yeah. Dude, I thought it was grass too. It was one of the bites that just doesn't feel like anything.
I might stand if there's hella fish right here.
I honestly think we should stick on this point.
Yeah, no, for sure. There's way too many fish to not. Oh yeah, bud. Yeah. Kinda. I'm just kind of following the school around. Decent. My camera wasn't pointing the right direction. That's cool. Oh yeah. Oh no. Don't break me off. Dude, we're freaking killing it, dude. Yeah. Yo, there it is. My God, just another beauty. Look at that. Dude, what? Nothing but chunky fish. See you later. There he goes. Yep. Little guy. Dude, they fight so hard in here. This is a little bass. Another one. Huge belly on it, but smallest one of the day. It's a nice one. Yeah, bud. He ain't done yet. He ain't done yet. Yeah, first skinny one of the day. Want pliers? Here, make love to my kayak real quick.